You are entering the boys' room. Ito ang kwarto namin. Si Nick, ang aking roomie. Kasama, at dito ang aking kama. Bedroom. Ayan, mga gamit. Sa inyo makikita. Maliit lang ang kwarto. This is the walk-in cabinet. Tcharan! Nakastack lahat ng damit. Bags, shoes. Sa gilid. Yan. With a beautiful view of the outside. Sayang, madumi yung salamin. Ayan. That is the outside of the second floor. And then, yun ang, zoom natin ha. Yan ang car. Ganda, di ba? Car yan ng kapitbahay. So, hindi amin yan. Ito si Ava.
Hi!
Ayan. Aming roomie. OT rin. And then, of course, nakalock. Ito yung CR. Tara! Chow Mang! Yan, this is the CR. Ito yung aming beautiful na shower. Yan. And also, our beautiful banyo. Le banyo. Yan. Okay. To the kitchen. Ladies and gentlemen. And the kitchen. Yan. Ito ang kitchen, the gas, ito yung electric stove. Yan, electric stove. And then, rice cooker and ref. Also yung, dishwasher. Dishwasher with lots of dishes, no? Yung aming sink. And yung table namin. Unfortunately, daming gamit. Yan. Ito yung aming sala. Sala, nothing but sala. Yung couch namin. Yan, yung natutulog si Aris. This is the Porsche. Yan. Beautiful, di ba? And ang 20-minute room ng bahay ni Kuya. Yan. Kung saan pwedeng mag 20 minutes. This is the outside. And we are going outside. Yeah. Tadaan! Ito na ang labas. Ang kwarto namin ay 11-2G. And this is North Carolina, Gastonia. Yan. Kapitbahay. Kotse ng mga kapitbahay. At ako. Papasok na tayo ulit sa bahay ni Kuya.